Hey guys, my name is Noni Noodle and today we are going to react to some Sans fangirls. I suffered a lot venture on YouTube to find these videos. I saw several atrocities, but in the end it was worth it. So like, subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. Tell me what you are. I'm a rat lady. What the frick is that? You're not even 12, girl. And where is your mother? Watch Peppa Pig. It's better for your brain. What? How can you hate fangirls when you are also a fangirl? You are very weird. What the freak is that? Wow, so scary. Well, nothing to say, right? Pathetic.
Can't wait to meet Sansi.
Bro, what is this? This girl is wearing a bunny outfit in the middle of the street, man.
Ouch!
Look, another weirdo appeared.
Waiting for someone, Sayori?
Your mother that cute.
Help me, NPH, why not?
Time for you to suffer. Sans is mine.
Never!
Okay, let's continue then.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Beautiful. Very beautiful. I even had a tear fall from my eye here. Very beautiful. Congratulations. What a cool music. Here we go again. Wait, what? Golly. Although it's just kidnapping to make sense like her, or any other weird fangirl. I'm going to make fun a lot.
Hi, my name is Maddie. I did not trace Kitty Dog. She copied me!
Jeez, chill, girl. Oh my god.
Sans is mine and only mine!
You're going to have a heart attack if you keep this up.
If you steal Sans from me, I will kill you!
The only thing you're killing is my patience here, girl.
Snow Pearl the Mouse, Fox Sans lover. No, she looks like a Mickey Mouse. Lilibee the skeleton. No, her boobs look like balloons. Cotton Candy the Sans wife and girlfriend. Yeah, she's not even a Sans fangirl anymore because she told me about it. So yeah, Mrs. Sans, absolutely not. You gotta put on some clothes. Hello guys, it's me, Sans, and I love so much is Maddie, my real wife and girlfriend, the only one. I also hate other fangirls, so don't take me from Maddie. And a kiss, baby.
Bro, what is this? What a freak video that was! No, seriously, excuse me, I'm going to talk now. First, you say that this one has Mickey Mouse hair. But you don't even have hair, you just have messy fur. And then say that this one boobs look like balloons. But you don't even have boobs, and that pile of fur doesn't count. Sorry. And then complain that this one doesn't wear clothes. Right, I also think it's wrong to expose your body like that. But, well, you don't wear clothes either. The next one is going to be terrible, so get ready. And there's no sound, so I have to dub. Because I really don't like videos without sounds. So, let's go! Hey guys! My name is Sylvia, the same name of my grandma. I know you think I'm sexy. And all of you want to date me. But you can't. Because I already have a boyfriend, nobody cares. Baby, who are you talking to? Oh, no one says it. Just come and see me in the bedrooms afterwards, baby. Of course, honey. See what I mean? I love him so much, nobody cares. Now, did you really think I would trust you? Sans is mine. He will never love you. Please, stay away from him. I don't want things to get messy. Now I'm gonna go have some fun with Sensi. Doodles. Dude, and you know what makes me most angry about all this is the fact that some of these girls done well, but don't use their talent correctly. And I'm sorry if my English is bad, it's not my first language. And this is the first video I've made completely in English. And I'm also using Google Translate to talk to you. So if you check out my channel, you will see that almost all the videos will be in Portuguese. Because this is my first language. As this is my first video in English, I will introduce myself better. I'm 14 years old, and this is an animation channel. So as the animations take time to be made, I'm trying to make some different types of videos. While the animations are not finished, you can check my channel to see my animations if you want. But as I mentioned before, almost all of them are in Portuguese. But I can try to translate them if you want. Anyway, I hope this video helps me at least learn more English. Because these videos are so cringe. But let's moving on, because I know you didn't click in this video to see me talking with a freaking PNG of angry woodpecker on the screen.
Hi everyone, it's me, Silver the Fox, and this is my introduction. I'm Santa's girlfriend, obviously. And if anyone touches my sands, they will burn. And this is my love, Sand. Coming soon is torture for anyone who dares to doubt me. Love ya. Bye!
Well, enough is new, just another generic fangirl. And once again, I have to dub because this girl didn't have the grace to put a song in the video. Hello, I'm Echo. I was named after a echo flower. I'm a skeleton and I have the best boyfriend. His name is Sans. He's the best. He's nice, sweet, kind. I wouldn't like to get angry, but I have to defend my honor. He's my boyfriend, not yours. I will hurt you if you take him away from me. Honey, they aren't going to take me yet from you. Besides, nobody can really take me without a death wish. Sorry, Sensi, got carried away again. Nobody care. Continue! Continue! Can you end the video so we can have a long time? Yes, of course, I will be there in a second, so gross. Bye! And to end this happy video, we will have the last fangirl, so enjoy!
Hello, peeps. It's me, Aja. I really love sand. But just so you know, sand's mine. And only mine. So back up. Or else. So don't mess with sand or me. And don't steal sand from me. You'll regret it. So back off. I will get top of it. I only love Aja and only her, not any of you. Hey, Sans, you can go around thinking?
Bro, this girl looks like a pony.
Wolfie? Yes, it was fun. Sans, now go to sleep. Sans is mine.
Help me! The girl with a voice like a squirrel is going to catch me because I breathed near her meal! Anyway, this was the video. I hope you liked it. And again, nothing to say. These girls are all crazy and need to get treatment. Like, if it was just a crushie on the character, that would be fine. I myself have had crushes on several characters, but not at that level. This is very worrying. But, well, maybe I'll remake this video with a certain company, but for now, that's it. Again, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, and if you want, you can go see the Portuguese version of this video on my channel. And one more time, sorry for my bad English. Another thing I wanted to mention, but it doesn't add anything to the video. It's just at the day before yesterday, a flock of sheep appeared on my gate, and they were very beautiful. But my dog, that is appearing on the screen, scared them away with her barking. So I followed the flock of sheep for a while. But when I was about to pet one of them, the sheep ran. And then the whole flock of sheep ran away. And I lost sight of the flock of sheep. But luckily, I managed to take a photo. So here is the photo. Bye!